Welcome to Spark, a storytelling experience where children become part of the story. We present 3D animated interactive stories that let kids shape their own adventure. Spark combines playful storytelling with powerful learning features. Kids meet 3D animated characters who guide them through vibrant, interactive worlds. They tap, swipe, and make choices through animated story interactions, influencing what happens next. With every decision, the story branches in new directions, helping children think critically and stay engaged. The system serves two users, parents and their children. Parents create accounts by entering the required information. Parents now proceed to add children accounts. Children can view their streak of daily readings and seamlessly dive into a new story.
One sunny Saturday morning, Ella was walking around the forest, enjoying the chirping of the birds.
They can start reading and explore word definitions in the dialogue.
The soft breeze rustled the leaves, and the scent of blooming flowers filled the air.
They can mute, pause, or exit the story.
Help the garden, or discover something amazing in nature. Ella took a deep breath of fresh air and smiled.
What fun activity can I do today?
She wondered aloud.
Children can influence the story through their choices and actions.
Now it's your turn to decide. Should Ella go to the park or plant new flowers?
To support understanding, 2D visuals are included to clearly explain key concepts, alongside interactive activities that reinforce learning through play. With Spark, stories become adventures, guided by imagination, shaped by choice, and brought to life in 3D. Join us in reimagining how children read, learn, and grow.